I want to take a shot at answering the question you might be having. Is an InstaCrate worth it? Well, depending on the price you can get it at, I definitely think it is. But let's go over what an InstaCrate is. It's a foldable box that assembles in just seconds like that. It's got a nice wide cavity here that can hold about 12 gallons. I'll throw the measurements up on screen, but the cool thing is it just folds flat in an instant when you're not using it. This is actually very clutch for a few key reasons that I use in my personal life. I keep it in the back of my SUV so that way I can put all my groceries in here so they're not rolling around, or I put it on the back of my e-bike if I want to travel somewhere and I need to carry things or go to the farmer's market. But what I really use it for is my art career. I put my art or supplies in here anytime I go to a gallery or event where I'm selling my art, because I can easily just fold it up like that, put my supplies in. When I'm done and not using it, fold it flat and it goes underneath the table. The reason I like these Green-made ones is they have a really strong construction, which is nice. They will hold up under a lot of pressure, which is good. If you need to get something bigger, I would recommend paying up, or if you're gonna put a lot of weight in here, I would recommend getting a heavy duty one, which they do make, but be prepared to pay up for it. These Green-made ones, if you can get them around the $10 mark, are way worth it. And they do go on sale, so look out for that. But generally, you're gonna look anywhere from 10 to 20 bucks. Still worth it at 20 bucks if you know you're gonna get your money's worth out of it, but I would wait for those sales. I recommend taking a look at the links down in the video description to see where I got mine for the cheapest spot. So if you're looking to get one, you can get one too. I do recommend it because it has so many different uses, and I'm sure you'll find one for it too. But if you're curious if it's worth the money, I think it is. Now, if you liked this video and it did help you with making your purchase decision, you can use those links like I said, or go above and beyond and hit that like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on cool products that I like to review that I think will help out anyone out there.